Hi everyone, this is Ramesh. వెల్కమ్ టు రమేష్ సార్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో ఆన్లైన్ క్విజ్లో భాగంగా 8th ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్లోని ఫ్రిక్షన్ అనే టాపిక్ నుంచి 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ని పికప్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్కి 20 సెకండ్స్ అలాట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి ఇచ్చిన సమయం చాలనట్లయితే వీడియోని ఫాస్ట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. అలాగే క్విజ్ పూర్తయిన తర్వాత మీకు వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ని కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పకుండా కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మన టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఎగ్జర్టెడ్ బై ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రోలింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్, బి స్లైడింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్, సి డ్రాగ్, డి normal force. Your time starts now. Correct answer is C, drag. Second question, friction is directly proportional to A, force, B, normal force, C, mass, D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Correct option is B, normal force. Third question, when the speed of the body moving in a straight line changes continuously, then the body acquires A, speed, B, velocity, C, acceleration, D, displacement. Your time starts now. Correct option is C, acceleration. Fourth question, which of the following friction has self-adjusting force? A, sliding friction, B, static friction, C, rolling friction, D, fluid friction. Your time starts now. Correct option is B, static friction. Fifth question, to overcome friction, dash are used in machinery. A, lubricants, B, ball bearings, C, both A and B, D, dynamo. Your time starts now. Correct option is C, both A and B. Sixth question, choose the suitable option. Group A, static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, fluid friction. Group B, drag, object at rest, object in motion, ball bearings. A, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. B, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. C, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Correct option is B, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Seventh question, if we rub our hands, heat is generated by A, static friction, B, sliding friction, C, rolling friction, D, drag. Your time starts now. Correct option is B. Sliding friction. Eighth question. Assertion. The force of friction is greater if a rough surface is involved. Reason. Rough surface contains a large number of irregularities. A. A and R are true. R supports A. B. A and R are false. C. A and R are true. R does not support A. D. A is true but R is false. Your time starts now. Correct option is A. A and R are true. R supports A. Ninth question. The change in the length of the spring is dash to the applied force. A. Indirect proportional. B. Equal. C. Direct proportional. D. Not depend on force. Your time starts now. Correct option is C. Direct proportional. 10th question. Which of the following play major role to avoid corrosion due to motion? A. Paints. B. Lubricants. C. Alloys. D. Galvanizing. Your time starts now. Correct option is B. Lubricants. 11th question. This gives to bird and fish to overcome from drag. A. Color of the body. B. Shape of the body. C. Mass of the body. D. All the above. Your time starts now. Correct option is B. Shape of the body. 12th question. It is difficult to walk on slippery surfaces because there exists A. Less friction. B. More friction. C. Less area of surface. D. More area of surface. Your time starts now. Correct option is A. Less friction. 13th question. Ravi observed holes in a flexi banners. They prevents A. Drag friction. B. Static friction. C. Sliding friction. D. Rolling friction. Your time starts now. Correct option is A. Drag friction. 14th one. The purpose of powder while playing caroms is A. To decrease friction. B. To increase friction. C. To keep the friction constant. D. None of the above. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. To decrease the friction. 15th question. Which of the following situations feels fluid friction? 1. Flying bird in air. 2. Swimming fish in the water. 3. Moving aeroplane in the sky. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Your time starts now. The correct option is D. 1, 2 and 3. 16th question. Raju. Friction depends on the nature of the surface. Ravi. Friction is independent of area of contact. A. Raju is correct. Ravi is incorrect. B. Raju is incorrect. Ravi is correct. C. Both Raju and Ravi are correct. D. Both Raju and Ravi are incorrect. Your time starts now. Correct option is C. Both Raju and Ravi are correct. 17th question. A boy slides a marble, coin, matchbox and eraser. Which of the following objects move dead slowly on the inclined plane? A. Marble. B. Coin. C. Eraser. D. Matchbox. Your time starts now. Correct option is D. Matchbox. 18th question. A car toy is dropped on 4 inclined planes made up of with different materials. On which inclined plane the car travels more distance? A. Cemented surface. B. Mud surface. C. Marble surface. D. Brick surface. Your time starts now. Correct option is C. Marble surface. 19th question. It is difficult to walk on polished floor because friction between our feet and floor is in A. Increased. B. Reduced. C. Same. D. None of the above. Your time starts now. Correct option is B. Reduced. 20th question. Which of the following represents the correct sequence of types of friction arranged on their strength or magnitude? A. Static friction is less than, sliding friction is less than, rolling friction. B. Rolling friction is less than, sliding friction is less than, static friction. C. Sliding friction is less than, rolling friction is less than, static friction. D. Rolling friction is less than, static friction is less than, sliding friction. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. Rolling friction is less than, sliding friction is less than, static friction. ఇక్కడితో మనం క్విజ్ని ఫినిష్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీకు వచ్చిన స్కోర్ని తప్పకుండా కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. ఇట్లాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. టిల్ దెన్ బై బై నౌ.